Hi, welcome to WiseCat. Okay, well, not a technical one today, but an invitation. Please come to MoodleMoot Japan 2026, and I would like to show you a few things about what we're expected to have, and also what ways that you might want to participate. So, first of all, if you want to know more about it, the URL moodlejapan.org. I'm going to put a link to it in the discussion below, in the description below, so please check it out. This is the actual homepage. If you just click through to the MoodleMoot page, you can see a whole bunch of information there. Basic information about the keynote speakers, and also how to join, registration, and stuff like that. Also, if you're interested in presenting, please consider presenting. We actually use Indicore to manage the presentation side of things, submission management and timetabling and stuff like that. So there's a little call for proposals there. Please consider presenting. Anyway, this year it is being held in Shizuoka City, actually, which is just up the road, and it's right near where Mount Fuji is. So it's on the Shinkansen track as well, so it's actually very easy to see. Recently there was a flyer done up, so I think I might give you a quick look at the flyer. Here we go. This is the flyer. I'm going to shrink myself down a bit. And first of all, if we have a look over on the left-hand side, I will show you the details. Here we go. That's probably about the right size. Yeah, so MoodleMoot Japan 2026, it's going to be held from February 27th to March 1st, 2026. And those dates are, well, set. But the February 27th one is actually the free workshop. So if you're in Japan already, if you're around the Shizuoka area, and you're interested in checking out a little bit about Moodle, learning a little bit, and not paying anything, that's the day you can actually get in for free and attend any of our workshops, which are completely free. As I said, it's going to be held at the Shizuoka Institute of Science and Technology, the Shizuoka campus. Actually, this campus only really has a Japanese name, but Shizuoka Ekimae campus, which literally means Shizuoka in front of the station, that campus, and it's in a building called the M20. It's about 2 minutes walk from Shizuoka station, so this is an incredibly conveniently located moot that's coming up. Anyway, event details, as I said, February 27th, we have free workshops. So they're going to be on a variety of topics from basic Moodling. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be totally accommodated for there, as well as a bunch of workshops for the higher level Moodler, including some potentially on, well, the topics aren't fully decided yet, but potentially some on security, some on perhaps even the stack question type, and some others as well. In addition, we're going to have, this time, the first MoodleMoot Japan MoodleMoot that actually has villages. Now, villages, if you've ever been to a DEF CON conference, you're probably familiar with the term, but it actually refers to the idea of a bunch of like-minded people just getting together in a room without a specified presenter. So you might say have a village on hacking Moodle, and they're all talking about ways that Moodle can be hacked. And if you're an admin, that's some pretty important information. You might want to know how Moodle can be hacked so you can know how to defend against it. So anyway, there will probably also be villages for example, AI implementations, and some other topics as well, for sure. You can get assistance because we always also have a Moodle help desk, and the help desk is just a place where you can sit down, and it's just basically a desk, a corner, where if you approach that desk and sit down, then the odds are you either have a question or you have the answers. So you can go and ask somebody at that help desk, and people can help each other at the help desk there. And you might see some sponsors as well can also offer some assistance with their software as well. There's also an opportunity on the website as well. You look for this a little bit later perhaps, but there's the opportunity to submit your work for awards. So we have two types of awards as well. We have the Best Moodle Innovation Awards. So this is usually for plugin development. If you've developed a plugin, then you can submit it, and it will go to a judging committee, and the judging committee will look at all of the innovations, the plugins that were made over the past year, and it will actually see if your plugin has a lot of merit and it's wonderful, it'll help lots and lots of people and everything like that. You could win an award and take an award home. And the same goes for actually open courseware. So if you have a Moodle course and you would like to share it on, say, MoodleNet, or we have our own MoodleNet instance, MajNet, and also if you don't mind it being shared on the Moodle Japan showcase site, then you can actually have it entered in as an open courseware award. And if you've got a really good piece of courseware there, yeah, you might actually walk away with that award. So there are awards to be had, and yeah, they're pretty cool. Little certificate as well. I've won one in the past, and yeah, this is nice. Anyway, gives you a warm fuzzy feel. And of course, you can catch up on the latest research regarding Moodle and educational technology, which is the staple and the main thing that you'll see at a MoodleMoot. The pricing for MAJ members, Moodle Association of Japan members, they get in for free because, but also the membership costs 10,000 Japanese yen, which is a bargain. I mean, in US dollars, what is this? About $60? I mean, this is nothing. Seriously, it's so underpriced. Anybody can pay for this price. So save money on the price of admission and get yourself a plane ticket and come over. People from overseas, you're absolutely welcome. We love to see people joining us from all over the world. Moodlers from all over the world, unite. Okay, on to the other topics about the keynote speakers, and for that, I'm going to actually change sides. And let's have a look at the other side of this pamphlet. So on the flip side, we actually introduce our keynote speakers. Now, the MoodleMoot actually has a theme, supporting all domains. So in Japan, we have a lot of language teachers, and sometimes the MoodleMoots have tended to be a bit heavy in the languages department. Yeah, guilty as charged. I'm part of that flood of language teachers who are Moodlers. But yeah, this year we decided to specifically focus on how Moodle can support all domains, not just languages, not just mathematics, not just medicine, everything. STEM, science, technology, education, mathematics, medicine, languages, and beyond. Anything goes with Moodle. Moodle supports it all. So let's explore how that is the truth. And for one of the things that we're going to look at in particular is mathematics with the Stack Moodle plugin. So if you're familiar with the Stack Moodle plugin, it's a fantastic plugin that was originally created by Chris Sanguin, who is our keynote speaker talking about Stack. We are going straight to the top there. We have got Chris Sanguin's coming over. He's going to talk about Stack and Moodle, and also how artificial intelligence is going to impact that. This is going to be a must-see presentation. Also, on Stack, again, staying with the Stack topic, but actually looking more locally, Yasuyuki Nakamura sensei from Nagoya University is going to be talking about experiencing Stack's introduction, popularization, and establishment in Japan. How Stack was brought into Japan and how it has been gradually increasing in usage across, and how people in Japan are actually using it. Nakamura sensei, he does some wonderful work in terms of analyzing how students go through the potential response tree. When students actually answer a Stack question, what part did they get wrong, and did they actually loop back and make the same mistakes again, or do they make new mistakes, or are there different pathways? Students make this mistake first, then that mistake, then that mistake. Seriously, I'm an English teacher. I do not teach mathematics, but I have seen Nakamura sensei's work, and it is fantastic. Seriously, do yourself a favor, show up and attend his keynote session. It's going to be an amazing one that you do not want to miss. Also, for medical universities and medical education around, we have got our own Machiko S. Yagi, and she is coming in from Jichi Medical University. And she also works with the University of Hawaii at Manoa, and she is basically, as far as I'm concerned, the best in nursing education Moodlers that I've ever seen in anywhere in the world. So she is world-class nursing education professional, and she's going to be giving us another keynote as well about medical education using Moodle. So that's just, all domains, right? We've got the medicine is covered right there as well. And perhaps more so too, one that is from my own heart, Gina Alioto is going to be coming from Moodle HQ to actually talk more about task-based learning and the rubric and the different marking strategies that are sometimes underutilized, but they can just supercharge an assessment scheme and things, providing wonderful feedback at the same time as giving a grade to your students and things like that. Also, competency-based assessment, which is a big thing. What can students actually do at the end of the course and things like that. Looking at all these things, I'm just so thrilled with this lineup. I mean, we've got a whole bunch of superstars coming in, and this MoodleMoot is promising to be perhaps the best one ever. So, do yourself a favor, get yourself down to your travel agent and everything, book yourself a ticket and come over to Japan, Shizuoka, for MoodleMoot Japan 2026. You absolutely will not regret it. All right, so yeah, stop the video now. Feel free, pause the video and go contact your travel agent right away. Their operators, I'm sure, are standing by. Oh man. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to be there all weekend, and yeah, it's I'm really looking forward to this. I love it when there's a MoodleMoot in Asia. It's just going to be fantastic. Okay, by the way, I did see a couple of guys who look like they might be registering to come again. Shout out to Chad. Hey, saw you in Kyoto, and I'm looking forward to meeting you again. Hopefully we'll have a bit more of a chance to sit down and have a chat. Seriously, if you see this video and you come to the MoodleMoot, you'll spot me. I'm pretty hard to miss. Just say hello, okay? All right. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this now before this video gets too long. You wouldn't like that. And sorry, a friend of mine actually did just give me a little bit of a ribbing recently, saying, "Hey, dude, can you ever make a video under an hour?" And I was like, Yeah, I'll do a couple. So there you go, under an hour. All right, I'll see you at MoodleMoot 2026 in Shizuoka City. Oh, the location, I'll leave a link to a Google map down in the description below. It is really easy to get to. Shinkansen, Haneda Airport, Tokyo Haneda Airport would be my recommendation for flying in. February 27th to March 1st. See you there. Thank you.